It is no longer news that the Ethereum blockchain is migrating from proof of work to the proof of stake, also known as POS, consensus mechanism. But what is this proof of stake? How does it work? Is it secure? In this video, we'll answer all these questions and explain POS in detail. You are welcome to the Blockchain College, your go-to YouTube channel where you learn more about blockchain technology, NFTs, the future of finance, DeFi, metaverse, and lots more. Remember to like and share this video. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications on more interesting new videos. Now, let's begin! Blockchain networks that power cryptocurrencies need to ensure nobody spends the same crypto twice without a central authority or third parties like Visa or PayPal. Blockchain networks use a consensus mechanism to curtail this double spending by allowing all the computers in a blockchain network to agree on which transactions are legitimate. There are two notable consensus mechanisms used by most cryptocurrencies today. Proof of work. Proof of stake. The proof of work is the earliest of all consensus mechanisms, and it is used by Bitcoin, Ethereum 1.0, and many others. The newer consensus mechanism after POW is the proof of stake, which will power the proposed Ethereum 2.0, as it's being used by Cardano, Tezos, and other newer cryptocurrencies. What is proof of stake, POS? Proof of stake is a consensus mechanism used by blockchains to validate transactions. In proof of work, miners validate transactions by expending electricity and computing power. But with proof of stake, validators explicitly stake capital in the form of Ether, ETH, or any crypto that supports POS into a smart contract. This staked crypto acts as collateral that can be lost if the validator behaves dishonestly or idly. The validator is then responsible for validating new blocks transmitted over the network and occasionally creating and broadcasting new blocks themselves. Understanding proof of stake, POS. Proof of stake changes the way blocks are verified using the machines of coin owners. Recall that validators stake their cryptocurrencies as collateral for the opportunity to validate blocks. These validators are randomly selected to mine or validate blocks. The blockchain randomizes the next miner instead of competing for the right to mine, as done in proof of work. Before we proceed, remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Now let's proceed. Proof of stake security and 51% attack. A 51% attack is when a miner controls 51% mining power or hash rate in a blockchain network and uses that majority to alter blockchain transactions. In POS, a group or individual would have to own 51% of the staked cryptocurrency, ETH. For instance, hacking the proposed Ethereum 2.0 will cost a malicious miner $15 billion, which will be staked. Imagine! Impossible, right? It is not only costly to have 51% of the staked cryptocurrency, staked currency is collateral for the privilege to mine. The miners that attempt to revert a block through a 51% attack would lose all their staked assets. This will make miners act in good faith for the benefit of the blockchain network. Most other security features of POS are not advertised, as this might create an opportunity to circumvent security measures. However, most POS systems have extra layers of security that reinforce the inherent blockchain security. Proof of stake FAQ. How will Ethereum's proof of stake work? The most ambitious proof of stake rollout is the proposed Ethereum 2.0, a series of upgrades intended to transition Ethereum from proof of work to proof of stake. Here's how it works at a high level. Special entities in proof of stake known as validators are charged with selecting the subsequent blocks for the Ethereum blockchain. Validators stake some of their Ether, which they can't use as they participate in the proof of stake process. Like miners in proof of work, they are rewarded for participating in this process. Is proof of stake better than proof of work? This question is still up for debate. proof of stake has drawn more than a few critics. One reason is that Ethereum developers have been quick to tout the advantages of proof of stake, but their claims have not been proven since it doesn't exist yet. But suppose the proof of stake does work, without or with minimal complications, then it could be a greener alternative that can accomplish the same goals as proof of work but more efficiently. Thanks for watching! Do you have any questions? Let us know via the comments section. Kindly like and share this video. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button.